This is Firebike 1 with another food video. I am having Talenti Gelato chocolate peanut butter cup ice cream. This is by far one of my favorite. If you guys know me, chocolate and peanut butter I love, and mixing them together in the ice cream, delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Mm. Mm. Look at the little tiny peanut butter cup in there. This is by far one of my favorites, and this is pretty pricey too. Mm. Mm. This is so good. This brand comes in a lot of different flavors. A lot, but there's only a couple I like. This one but this is the best one because of the chocolate peanut butter. Little tiny peanut butter cups mixed in here. And it's a strong combination of the taste of the chocolate and the peanut butter. Mm. See a little tiny peanut butter cup? They're all mixed in here. And that's what gives it the strong peanut butter taste. Damn, it's just good. Making a mess. Can't talk when you're eating. And then you get a mess. But this is won't you know someone's trying to call me at this time of night because I'm doing this video like 2 o'clock in the morning. And she's probably going to call me a second time. So I'm going to have to end this video. But this is delicious. I recommend it for anybody who's a chocolate peanut butter lover. Anybody that loves chocolate peanut butter, this is a thing you must get and you must try. Because I tell you, you ain't going to regret it, I tell you that. Alright. I hope you like this video. Put a like, subscribe, comment. What other type of foods you want me to do. I haven't checked the White Castle one lately because that one I asked people to do and ask what food you guys want me to do. And please subscribe to my Instagram, NATANDVM, and friend me on Facebook, same name, Chris Firebike. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks a lot, and have a good night.